Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making this very simple recipe, elderberry milk. So it's antiviral and it's also boosting our immune system, so enhancing our immune system. It's very important, especially during the time of the year when the seasons are changing. So watch the video, we'll show you step by step how to make it and all those important benefits that you will find in this tasty little drink. As a base for our recipe today, we are using a nut milk. So I already put a beautiful homemade almond Brazil nut milk in my blender here. However, you can use any type of nut milk of your choice. Just make sure if you're buying it in a store that you check the ingredients, that there is no added oils, no added sugars, no added chemicals. Preferably, if you have the opportunity, make your own. And we have a couple of recipes on our website, activevegetarian.com, so you can always check that out. So that's our base. Now the star of our recipe, of course, is the elderberry, and we're using a dry freeze elderberry powder. And the reason why we're using this amazing superfood is that elderberries are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, calcium. So this itself, it's already a superfood, and elderberry's been used for centuries as a immune enhancing food. What does it really mean and why is that? Is because elderberries help with the production of what's called the cytokines. And cytokines are these little proteins that actually help with cellular communication. Now that is a mouthful, right? So what does it really mean in our body? Think about your immune system as an orchestra. You have your immune cells, you have your cytokines, and you have your organs, and they all have to work together to protect you from pathogens and from really any other invaders coming into your body. And that happens all the time. Even as you're breathing, you're taking in different pathogens. So having a strong immune system is obviously important, and these cytokines are basically telling each cells where to go. So it's almost like this conductor of the orchestra telling, okay, this cell needs to come over here to protect against this cell gotta go over here to protect against that. So they allow that cellular communication. So super important, and that's why we're gonna put it in this milk. Probably more information that you needed to know, but it's good to understand our body and the food we are using in order to support our bodies, right? The next thing we're gonna use is sweetener. So really any sweetener of your choice is fine. I'm using a local raw honey, but you could also use maple syrup. You could use coconut nectar. You can even put a bit of date in there. Any natural sweetener will be fine. And then ginger. And another amazing superfood, ginger. Fresh ginger has antiviral and antibacterial properties as well, and it will add a really nice touch to this drink. And then cinnamon. There we go. And touch of clove. There we go. And that is it. And now all I have to do is just blend it up. Look at this beautiful color. Isn't it amazing? And here we have it, friends. Elderberry milk, super simple, amazing for your immune system. Give it a try. I'm sure the kids will like it too.